Good morning. Oh, I'm feeling crapola today. I didn't sleep very well last night. So, you know when you're feeling crap, you know what I do? I put some makeup on and it makes me feel better. Okay? So we're just going to have a play today. I'm not going out the house today. Pete's working. I don't think we're going to venture out. I can't be bothered chasing the kids with a bad back. So, I must admit, I did have my bath this morning with the old Radox bath salt things, whatever the hell Pete got me, those green things. Harry thought it was hilarious. He's like, you're having a slime bath. I'm like, It's not slime. The kids are feral. Can you hear them in the back there? Yo! What are you doing, Hazzy? Yeah, Pete's working, so there's no respite for me today with Monkey 1 and Monkey 2. So we're going to have a play today. So I'm thinking, right, so if you're catching me on the replay later, I hope you had a lovely day. Where is that new eyeliner? Oh, God, have I left it in the house? Yeah, I did. Okay, we're not going to use that today. I think what we might do is maybe we'll use, I haven't used it for a while, we might use Rapturous, which is, oh, there's just too many of these. I haven't filled up my new trunk yet. I might do that today as well. Morning, babe. Morning, Lisa. Rapturous Cream Splurge. You all know these are my favourites. It's the eggplant purple. I think we might give that a go. Like, and kind of maybe do... Let's attempt like a cut crease with it. Yeah. We might do that. We'll just have a play around. Like I said, I'm not venturing too far today because... Can't be asked. Let's put some primer on. So, watched a movie last night with Pete. That was all good. Anyway, the movie finished. We're on Netflix, right? And Pete's really into watching, like, hey, Cola, how are you, love? I just love your name. I just love it. Anyway, we got watching this friggin' Bigfoot series. Oh my God. If you have got Netflix, you need to go and find it. I need to find out the proper name of it. Or just search Bigfoot. I couldn't get over it. I'm still, like, legitimately, like, freaked out by the footage this guy has got of the Bigfoots. What do they call them? The, Sasquatch. Is it morning for us? It is, Cola. It is 11:35 a.m. What time is it there with you, doll? Anyway, you're not even going to believe it when you watch it. So we ended up watching it till like about midnight, I think it was. Then I go to bed, and then all I've got in my head is like I kept dreaming about these bloody Sasquatch and like the creepy faces. Plus my back. So it wasn't a very good night's sleep at all last night. Anyway, you're not even going to... Freaky. 6:33 in Dallas. Awesome. I really want to get over for convention next year, Cola, to San Antonio. How far is San Antonio from Dallas driving? How far would that be? Right, I'm going to do a bit of a mixture today, am I? Yeah, am I looking pale or what? A little bit. I need to open a new liquid. Nothing like a freshie. It's a beautiful day here today. Like, we're having like this... For our summer, it's actually kind of quite cool today.